Welcome, in front of me is a REALME Q2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, and they come provided with a device, so you can get it from the box, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. From there, once you have that ready, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So simply press it in, the tray will pop out, and once you take it out, you will have space for single SD card and two different SIM cards. I'm gonna only occupy one slot here. There we go. And then while holding it securely, because nothing else is, insert it back into the device. And we should get a pin for the SIM card. There it is, so let's confirm it. There we go. So that's the SIM card working, and SD card should be working as well, but you can see it through the settings. So storage, and there is our SD card. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.